How's everybody doing tonight at the Boonta Eve? Yeah! Getting ready for Level Up Leroy. We're in the Breakfast Club, which is one of my all-time favorite movies of the 1980s, besides A New Hope, besides Empire Strikes Back, and besides Return of the Jedi. I had to preface that. It's my privilege to introduce the incomparable Blues Harvest with the official theme song for Boonta Eve. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Woo! Welcome to Eldorado 2023! For a long time coming, we're glad to be here. Give it up for the Breakfast Club! To all of our guests who are here throughout the day, signing for you guys, thank you very much. But thank you to everybody who's been part of Star Wars.